I have made over 5 million within the last 3 months from my different online platforms, selling different products, services, and even my affiliate marketing products. And do you know the beauty of it? I have not run a single advert within the last 3 months. That means I made all of this money without spending a single kobo or dollar running ads. If you watch this video to the end, I will show you just one thing that I do that keeps bringing in money for me on the internet almost every day without leaving, of course, the comfort of my house or spending any money on adverts, either as an affiliate marketer, an e-commerce business owner, a digital product seller. Just mention it. This system works for everybody. Now, I have intentionally made this a very short and straight to the point video so that you will not have any issue watching every second of this secret internet money making act that I want to show you right about now. Let's go straight to the point. Now, if you want to start raking in money from the internet, like every day, I am serious about this. The first thing you want to stop doing right now is what 99% of most business owners are doing whenever they are trying to sell anything online. And what is that? Stop posting your product or service or affiliate link online. Just stop it. Posting your affiliate links, your product, your services online is not marketing. I don't know how else I'm going to describe this. Look, one of the most popular ways business owners waste their precious time online that I see every day is that you guys litter the whole internet posting your product or service or affiliate links or what have you. Now, am I saying that you will never be able to sell anything just doing that? No. Of course, sales may be coming in little trickles, once in a while, one here, one there, when you're posting your stuff online. But the question is that how many of those sales are you making every day? So if you want to start getting sales, on a daily basis without spending any money on running advert, then it is you I'm talking to. I want you to deliberately start doing content marketing. Look, this is so obvious, and yet I'm wondering why everybody is not doing this. Now listen to me. Content marketing is not the same as content posting. There are so many things to say about content marketing which I will not really want to bore you on this video. But content marketing is more about offering values around your business using content, and not just about posting content about what you're selling and how much you're selling it and how you're running promos and stuff like that. So basically, this is it. When next you want to make a post about your business, don't post "come and buy from me" or "click this link" kind of videos. Instead, create a value around what it is that you're selling. This content can come in the form of educating people, entertaining them, offering tips, DIY, and the list goes on and on. What you will pick, of course, will depend on your kind of business and how creative you are. So let me give you a practical example. If I'm into selling, let's say, health supplements, for example, now instead of me posting a video on my catalog of available supplements and how much they cost and stuff like that, I'd rather pick a situation that one of my supplements takes care of or cures, and then I record a video or make a content about the best ways to manage that particular health conditions. My first few videos does not need to include that I sell a supplement that cures that health condition specifically. Of course, I will still talk about my supplements later, but not at this moment. Now, this is because people generally become defensive anytime they suspect or see that you're only here because you want to sell something to them. So I'd rather offer value at the first instance without asking for anything in return. My next video could be something more entertaining, but it will still be closely related to my product or service that I intentionally wanted to sell. Once you get this concept right, the next important subject to talk about, of course, is your discipline to show up every day. Look guys, the power is in consistency. If all you want to do is just make a couple of videos, 1, 2, 3 videos here and there, and then disappear for another 2 weeks, only reappear again and then disappear again, content marketing cannot work for you. Posting consistently on your preferred social media platform only make you appear like a professional. And guess what? People will begin to take you seriously if you're serious doing it. Your subscribers or followers start increasing, and then you begin to look good. Now, you can begin to get strategic about mentioning your business in your content but yet you don't want to make your content all about come and buy, click this link and stuff like that. The general rule is that you should provide 70% of value and then about 30% of selling. Now that generally works once you begin to get an established social media following. As long as you are consistently publishing your content, you will soon notice that the people begin to ask you questions, making inquiries about your business, and at this point you're already breaking through the brick wall. Now, what your consistent posting does for you is to build trust and convince your viewers that you are an authority in whatever subject that you're creating content about, so that when you want to sell to them, they know that, okay, this guy knows what he's doing. Once your viewers notice your expertise and professionalism, getting to sell to them becomes very easy. The great thing about content marketing is that a single video may give you customers for several years. Just imagine that you have about 10 or 20 of such videos. That is actually a serious sales generating machine for you, really. For instance, if you check through my social media platforms, you will notice that I have quite a number of such videos, and these videos keep generating sales for me every day. Like I said, I can't even remember the last time I ran a sponsor ad on social media, really. This is because I have a good number of such videos online that keep generating sales for me like every day. Now, I don't promise that your videos will start giving you amazing results in a few days or sometimes even in weeks. But if you are a long-term thinker, your effort will soon begin to give you amazing results, and it will be worth it eventually. It's just a matter of time and consistency. So let me know if you're willing to give content marketing a try, and if you have been trying but yet to see results, share your experience with me in the comment section. And who knows, I could offer you some tips that could change your results positively. Honestly, I would like to hear from you. If you got value from this video and you will love someone else to hear about these particular tips I just shared, please do me a favor by liking this video and then help me share it on your social media platforms. If you're a new viewer and you're yet to subscribe and you love to see more money-making tips and digital marketing solutions just like this one, then hit the subscribe button and turn on the alert notification so that YouTube gets to inform you when I publish new videos. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.